a masterclass in watchmaking, spectacular in every sense of the word. Here's why the Rolex Datejust 36 in Wimbledon Dial is a must-have to any collection. Absolutely magical is what I would call this watch. The slate grey backdrop makes for a sporty yet dressy feel. The series of Roman numerals that surround the dial are only interrupted by one stick-in dice on the 9-hour marker, which is the only part of the watch that has a loom. Now the Roman numerals are painted on in black and bordered by a most peculiar green resembling the grass that Wimbledon matches are played on. This is really a watch in 36mm that is super versatile, be it an event at Wimbledon or be it a dinner party or just a casual day at the beach. The sunburst finish and the beautiful contrast of greys, whites, greens and blacks make sure that this dial has just a bit of everything and is perfected almost. Now it is a new model. The 36mm Wimbledon was released in 2021. The popularity of the Wimbledon watch can't be understated. Of course, it does have the micro-adjustable Easy Link system, adjustable to 5mm for a more snug fit. I believe this watch is perfect with its white gold fluted bezel and the Jubilee bracelet. The finesse of the Jubilee bracelet can't be understated. From any angle, it almost outshines itself. It's absolutely beautiful. Wearing the watch with the Easy Link on, we see it's now more snug, giving it a better feel for a formal occasion. With the in-house Rolex-made caliber 3235, this watch is a workhorse with an accuracy of up to +2 or -2 seconds a day and a beautiful generous 70-hour power reserve. This watch can be worn in all occasions, a true modern day classic. Hope you've enjoyed the video and do take care.